So, Dr. Dha, thank you so much for being a part of this, ma'am. Uh, can we, I'll just give you a quick introduction and brief of what we are going to do in the next 60 minutes.
Sure.
So, we've prepared these 20 questions, questions that are well researched, questions that, students want to ask an expert, questions that parents want to ask an expert before the students commit to a particular career or before parents allow their kids to get into a particular career. So it's a curated list of 20 most important questions that we feel that both students and parents, it will be helpful for both students as well as parents. All right.
Okay.
All right, wonderful, ma'am. Let us begin. So, ma'am, in this first section, I just wanted to know a little bit about role clarity and set the context of what this career specifically is. So, in simple terms, ma'am, what does a fashion technology individual do, or in other terms, what does fashion technology actually involves?
When we talk about fashion technology, it is essentially the behind the scenes science
Okay.
of how we make clothes. So, we start from a basic sketch to the finished garment and it goes ready to the market. Now, it will include pattern making, testing, a bunch of production planning works, quality control, merchandising. In simple terms, if you ask me one phrase, it's called engineering in fashion.
Engineering in fashion. I think this
Yeah.
is what sums it up beautifully for me and, of course, for the audience as well. So, on that note, Dr. Saha, how is this different? Though you've already mentioned in that one sentence, but still, how is it different from fashion design? And why I'm saying this is that most of the students are familiar with this name fashion design. So I
Correct.
just want them to have a clear understanding of what differentiates the fashion technology from the fashion design part of it.
Correct. Students often get very confused between these two terms. See, fashion design is about uh, creating the look. Now, there
Right.
would be colors, silhouettes, mood boards, the creative expression of it. Fashion technology, on the other hand, it will talk about making it real. So, if how do we cut the fabric efficiently? How do we size it for different body types? How do we plan the factory production? Or how do we ensure quality across the entire scale? So, a designer will ask, will it look good?
Right.
A fashion technology would ask that how do we make it well and affordable and most importantly on time.
Right. Okay. Okay. So, when it comes to the real world, Dr. Saha, what kind of problems do professionals in this field, I mean the fashion technology field, they really set to solve?
So, I'll give you some examples for
Yeah, yeah,
that.
please,
So, for
please.
example, a design often looks very good on paper,
Hmm.
but it can't be mass produced. So, what are the how do we fix the patterns? Or there is a lot of fabric wastage in the cutting. So, what do we do so that we optimize the layouts?
Right.
Or there can be delayed shipment. So we look at the production planning, we fix the line setups. There can be a poor fitting across in different sizes. In a single size, it looks in a model, it looks pretty, but when it
Yeah.
goes up the sizes and down the sizes, then the problem happen. So then we fix the grading part of it. Or there might be sustainability issues wherein we have to reduce wastages. So these are few of the things. There are more, of course, but yeah, few.
Yeah, I mean, but considering that our audiences would majorly be those, youngsters studying in class 11 or class 12, or maybe their parents, I think for them, this is a clear cut, understanding of what real life problems these professionals are actually solving. There is so much of, if I can use the word cross connection between fashion design and fashion technology, that
Yes,
people often tend to get confused with this. But
correct.
like you rightly mentioned, the engineering of fashion, that word will stick with me for some time now. All right. This the next section, ma'am. I just wanted to get into the reality of this particular industry, what the work looks like in reality. Considering that you have been an insider for such a long period of time, there would be no one better to tell our audience about it. What does a typical project? Yeah, and you can give me example of any project. All right,
Okay.
of fashion. What does a typical project look like in fashion technology?
So, when you would work in an industry, a basic project essentially means that a brand will give you a order,
Right,
and so they will send you a design. Uh, as a fashion technologist, you will create a tech pack, which means the detail information of that design.
right.
You'll make a sample, you will test fabrics at different levels. You will plan from where you procure the raw materials, be it fabric, be it the other materials like threads, zippers, and buttons, and the smaller trims.
Yep.
Then we plan the actual production, which would include cutting, sewing, and finishing. In the meantime, you will also monitor qualities, and then you finally will ship it. So basically, it will be a mix of paperwork, certain softwares, and floor work.
इसमें मैम एक क्वेश्चन मेरे दिमाग में आता है बेस्ड ऑन योर रिस्पॉन्स। आपकी जो एक प्रोजेक्ट के अंदर जो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज हैं, इसके साथ एक फैशन डिजाइनर कहाँ पे कोलैबोरेट करता है आप लोगों के साथ में?
Uh, Depends. So, a fashion technology person might work in a brand, as
हम्म।
in a brand head office, or
हम्म।
they might also work in production houses.
राइट।
In most cases, when it is in a production houses, a designer might or might not be there.
ओके।
Uh, Only in smaller setups wherein production जहाँ पे बस सब कुछ एक ही जगह हो रहा है,
हम्म।
वैसे केसेस में डिजाइनर वहां रहेंगे. बट अदरवाइज इफ इट इज अ बिगर सेटअप, द डिजाइनर विल पॉसिबली बी ओनली इन द हेड ऑफिस. दे विल
ओके।
नॉट बी एग्जैक्टली इन द प्रोडक्शन यूनिट. सो जब हमारी इनिशियल सैम्पल्स बनते हैं, इनिशियल डिजाइन्स बनते हैं, वहां पे हम लोग बहुत सारे डिजाइनर के साथ काम करते हैं. वी ऑल्सो वर्क अ लॉट व्हेन हम एक फॉर एग्जांपल एक ब्रांड का नया एक कलेक्शन लॉन्च होना है.
हम्म।
So a designer will create those designs, a
राइट, यस।
technologist will analyze whether to make it possible or not. And it a reiterative process hai. It keeps on working between the designer and the
So
technologist.
the workflow basically moves from the designer, from one in
Yes,
fashion design to one in fashion technology, in that
correct,
order. All right,
correct.
wonderful. So, ma'am, fashion technology mein, how much of the work is technical versus creative? I mean, creative aspect भी होता है इसमें?
I will say the 70% of it
It's
is
technical.
technical.
Okay,
30% creative, but when I say creative, the creativity lies in problem solving.
right.
So, how to achieve the designer's vision so that it is also efficient. And so, you will not be sketching fashion illustration. What we will rather be working with is CAD softwares or spreadsheets or machines for that matter.
आपने जैसे वो एग्जांपल दिया कि एक कपड़ा किसी एक साइज में फिट हो रहा है, लेकिन विद दिस
Correct.
साइज इंक्रीजिंग मे बी द फिट डजंट गो दैट वेल.
Yes.
All right, so that is where probably a little bit of creative would come in, but still you said 70% is technical versus 30% is creative, and which comes only during problem solving stage. So
Yes.
majorly technical हम मांग सकते हैं.
Majorly technical, correct.
All right. एक मान के चलिए for someone who's done fashion technology at the bachelor's level or master's level, let's say 5 years into the work on an average, एक ऐसे इंसान का typical working day कैसा होता है?
So, depends in what capacity the person is working.
Is
So,
working.
as a fashion technology graduate, students work as a merchandiser. They also work in production planning. They also work in quality. So, these are
Okay.
the basic three heads जहाँ पे हमारे बच्चे काम करते हैं. So,
Wonderful.
a merchandiser's work mostly is the coordination between buyers and factories.
Yes.
A production planner will check the utilization, ensure the shipment schedules. A quality analyst will analyze and inspect the garments.
Hmm.
There is currently sustainable fashion experts भी होते हैं जो कि चेक करते हैं, ऑडिट करते हैं वेस्ट या वेस्ट कैसे रिड्यूस किया जाए या
Hmm.
whether the materials can be made into circular model or
It can
not.
be reused and things like that.
Correct.
तो ये सारे जो एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ वर्क हैं ये फैशन टेक्नोलॉजी के अम्ब्रेला के अंदर आ जाते हैं, एंड देन
Correct.
डिपेंडिंग ऑन व्हाट स्पेशलाइजेशन वन रियली गेट्स इनटू, their working
Correct.
day would more or less be determined by that, is what I have understood. Am I right?
Yes.
All
Yes.
right, wonderful. एक बात बताइए मैम, स्टूडेंट्स they typically live in this wonderland most of the time, not all the time, and आपके भी ऐसे कई experiences होंगे. Being a career counselor, I meet students and parents almost on a regular basis, from a very basic school setup to the most advanced school setup. I have met all kind of people during my 15-20 years that I have spent as a career counselor. And even today, when I have reduced it, when I focus on my platform, I still on and off meet parents and students who I can't say no to. तो उनका जो, I mean, their thought process is very fancy. So what do students usually imagine this career to be, and in reality, what this career is? I'm talking about the fashion technology part of it.
So students come in thinking of glamorous fashion
Right.
shows.
Yeah. They do.
Right. So that's all they think about. They think about the runway shows, the coutures, the photo shoots. This is what they think about. Reality, it is about avoiding delays, solving, checking whether thread tension is working correctly in the
Right.
machine, or
Right.
where there are measurement errors, where there is the inventory management is correct. It is very satisfying. Anybody
Hmm.
who loves system, to them, it is very satisfying, but it's not glamorous.
Not glamorous.
No.
On that note, can we say that fashion design is little bit tilted towards, more glamour than fashion technology?
A little bit, but even though, if I say so, see, I have been working with NIFT for a very long time now.
Yeah, yeah,
So even with fashion design, the dreams that we see, and when we see the designers walk on ramps and at the end
yeah.
of their runway shows, the effort and the work that goes into it, it's not
I'm
really the
sure it must be
glamorous part.
crazy, absolutely
Yeah,
crazy.
so you source materials from the smallest and the dingiest part of the towns, and you have to, work late nights and
Yeah.
ensure working with, you
I get
know,
it. Yeah, I
karigars,
completely get
and,
it.
and ensure that, the karigars are happy doing your work. All those
Yeah,
things are there.
yeah,
It's
yeah, yeah.
not really all,
Glamour
happily
and
and
fun.
yeah.
Okay. So moving on, ma'am, just getting little bit into the technical depth and industry understanding. If people want to consider, I mean, the audience want to consider that part. Though very few people had really suggested these kind of questions, but I thought it is important for us to have it. How important are skills like pattern making and sizing and production planning and other things in this field?
It's extremely, extremely important. Like, it is
Okay.
the core.
Okay.
So a wrong pattern will mean it's a bad fit. So
Okay.
bad sizing will mean returns, a
Right.
poor planning. We often return garments because it doesn't fit us. The way it is fitting on the online model, it doesn't fit us
That
the
way.
correct way. That will happen to our consumers. It also means, if we do not plan well, we mean we are missing deadlines. This
Right.
is not the institute and school anymore that we can delay on assignments.
Yeah.
It is the real life. So the garments, if we do not do these things, it will not reach the customer on time.
Perfectly all right. Ma'am, supply chain or merchandising, what role do they play in fashion technology?
So as I said, merchandising, essentially, it's a connecting point between the brand and the factory.
Yes.
So the costing of the garments, sourcing of materials, ensuring timelines, these are the part of the merchandising. And supply
Merchandising.
chain will ensure that the raw materials reaches the right time at the right place.
Hmm.
So together they are talking about profit and speed and efficiency.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. And if we consider that, how does technology improve efficiency and quality in garment production? What is the role of that in this entire specifics?
See, technology, essentially, any technology helps in standardization. In our
Right.
case, product standardization.
Absolutely.
The moment anything is standardized, it helps us to scale it up and make things in a more massed volume, right?
Right.
So, when we use technologies like CAD, computer aided designs, it reduces our errors. Instead of manual pattern making, if you can use a apparel CAD, it will reduce your errors. If we use automatic cutting, it will reduce the, optimize the fabric
Right.
usage. Or if we use ERP systems, it will track the orders in a real time. We Currently we are using a lot of AI in quality inspections. It
Right.
detects any defect much faster than a human eye. And we are also using a lot of 3D prototyping, which means that the initial samples becomes less. And so there's a less of wastage as
So
well.
technology is extremely helpful in this process. On
Extreme.
that note,
Yes.
ma'am, with the AI thing, how much of AI is going to impact, let's say, job opportunities going forward in this industry?
Uh, See, the idea is we have to, use AI and we have to get comfortable with it. It's
Right.
going to impact, true. But if you know AI, it's only going to help you
Mhm.
because at the end of the day, it's going to be used. So for today, we are using a bunch of AI based things today. We are not doing the basic checkups on a manual
So
basis.
it is happening in fashion technology like in almost all the other industries.
Yes.
My question specifically is इसमें जॉब में फर्क पड़ेगा क्या? Do you think, I mean, 10 के बदले 2 हो जाएंगे types?
Not really, not right now, at least not in India.
Not in India.
Yeah.
All right, wonderful. Now, ma'am, moving on to the next section. This talks about sustainability and future of fashion technology. You worked extensively in sustainable fashion. So, how
Correct.
critical is this for the future? Sustainability,
Non-negotiable.
non-negotiable today,
So see it is our fashion industry is the second largest polluter.
right?
So imagine that. So and consumers, garments, brands, all of them are demanding sustainability. So without it, fashion doesn't have any future.
तो ये मैम थोड़ा सा हमारे ऑडियंस के लिए ये सस्टेनेबिलिटी इन फैशन का कंसेप्ट आप थोड़ा समझा दोगे फॉर द किड्स?
Yeah. So sustainability as the word, it means that we use resources in a way ताकि हमारे future generation के पास भी resources रहे.
बिल्कुल.
Correct? So, and the resources are limited. We
राइट.
cannot grow infinitely. We cannot be doing things in a way that we use infinite resources.
राइट.
So, sustainability essentially talks about when we talk about sustainability in fashion, we are speaking about few things. Firstly, is that design it in such a way that it is meant to last. आज के डेट में हम जो फास्ट फैशन को देख रहे हैं which we buy and at a very cheap price without naming any brands, I would say we buy things at a very cheap price and then it lasts for a couple of washes and then the color fades, the seam rips, a
राइट.
bunch of things happen and it is not durable anymore. Sustainable fashion, on the other hand, talks about making garments which last. Even if it is a little higher price than a regular fast fashion garment, it is meant to last. Brands, there are certain brands who essentially talk sustainability in a way that every garment has a story. Why do you want to wear it and throw it away? I often give the example to my students that, 20, 30 years ago, if I had a marriage in my family, I would go to a tailor, a fabric shop, get fabric,
Get
get
it stitched.
zaris, get just not stitched. Before that, I'll get zaris. I'll look
So
at
many other things. Yeah,
designs, and
yeah,
there was so
yeah.
much of process. And then I'll go to the tailoring shop. I'll ask the master ji, ऐसे बनाना, ऐसे करना, ये करना. The association I had that with that garment was so much देख के मैं उसको एक बार पहन के मैं छोड़ूंगी नहीं. I will
Right.
not throw it away. Today, I have a wedding to attend tomorrow. I'll go to a shop and I'll get a lehenga. That's it.
Right.
It's as easy as that.
Okay. All right. All right. So ये on this term, ma'am, ये circular fashion. What is circular fashion?
Circular fashion essentially means that we design clothes that can be reused, repaired, and recycled.
Okay.
So we do not throw it away. So and it is very important at this point. It is.
So why is it important for students in fashion technology to understand circular fashion today?
As I said, firstly, we have limited resources. We
Right.
have to learn to recycle things, reuse things, and keep things in the supply chain. We
Mm.
cannot keep on polluting the world indefinitely. Second, it is, it is imperative to understand at this point that the next industrial revolution lies here, and job will grow massively.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, ma'am, can sustainability also be a strong career opportunity in this field? I've already
Where,
understood it, but
yeah. Yeah, yeah,
we,
yeah. It's absolutely. See, the global buyers
mm,
in the European Union or other, the global north,
mm,
they are extremely conscious about the compliances, the sustainability related
right,
compliances. So
right,
there are roles like, circular designer or sustainability analyst, material innovator, compliance auditor. So please understand, India at this point, even today, we are one of the biggest manufacturing hubs, and the entire global south is as well. So Vietnam,
yeah,
Bangladesh, Indonesia, all these places. So here, if we do not understand the demand, the demand is, and the compliances are demand, mandates are the demands.
right.
So we need to know it, and so the career is growing.
With good opportunities even in the future.
Yes.
Wonderful. तो ऑन दैट नोट मैम, करियर बढ़िया कर रहा है, अपॉर्चुनिटीज अच्छी हैं, बट इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर वन टू नो देयर ओन स्किल्स एंड एप्टीट्यूड एंड देयर suitability for this particular industry. So on
Correct.
that, these were the questions that were most asked. I mean, the people that mentioned this, that what kind of students are naturally suited to fashion technology.
Okay, so I would say students who would like logic or systems or making things work, just not making things pretty and beautiful.
Okay.
So anybody who likes maths,
Mm,
organizing things, or
mm,
for that matter, growing up, if you like playing with Legos or Minecrafts,
mm.
games like that, you may enjoy fashion technology.
All right. ड्राइंग का मैम कितना एसेंस है इसके अंदर? इज ड्राइंग, स्केचिंग, ऑल दीज थिंग्स इंपॉर्टेंट?
Not really, but it can, a basic sketching skill, it may help, but it's not really
तो
important.
मतलब कोई आर्टिस्टिक टैलेंट होने का जरूरत नहीं है, अनलाइक
बिल्कुल नहीं,
द डिजाइन के अंदर व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट आर्टिस्टिक टैलेंट, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है?
बिल्कुल नहीं.
Okay. And how important are analytical skills and, let's say at something like attention to detail and analytical
Very
skills
important.
in this industry?
Very important. So, again, given one example, let's say there is a mistake of 1 centimeter in a pattern.
Yeah.
It results to, let's say, 10,000 pieces of defects.
And
So,
the compounding loss thereafter.
yes. So, and even the production planning, this involves numbers, timelines, and so you have to you have to love precision.
Right. Attention to detail, analytical thinking. There are people, who जो typically organized होते हैं, who like to
Yes,
do things right the first time.
correct.
लेकिन मैं आपको एक बात बताऊं, the attention deficit issues that are there in today's time, this I'm sure as an academician, this is one thing जो आप लोग देखते होगे आजकल के बच्चों में कि not everyone but most of them, but I'm sure that those who get into NIFT would be the better ones, otherwise they would have never reached NIFT. But
True.
then not everyone is able to get into NIFT, right? There are so many other
See,
students.
this problem is there. The entire ADHD problem, it is
Yeah,
there.
right,
Uh, However, I would say, see, these are skills now which can be gradually honed as well. आप धीरे धीरे देखोगे तो आप सीखने लगोगे. I see students, often a lot of our fashion students, I see them that they make reels जहाँ पे they have gone to shops to get t-shirts and everything, and वो टी शर्ट पलट के उसके सीम्स देख रहे हैं कि वो
right.
सही है, साइज सही है. तो वो धीरे 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 हो जाता है. तो इवन इफ
लेकिन
इट इज
मुझे आपको मालूम है मैम, मुझे फिर भी ये लगता है कि ये जो अटेंशन टू डिटेल और एनालिटिकल थिंकिंग एबिलिटी है ना, ये बड़ी इनहेरेंट टाइप की एबिलिटी होती है.
अग्री.
आइदर आइदर इफ यू आर born with it, I mean, things come to you very naturally. But if you are somebody who does not have this inherently, one really struggles, क्योंकि उनका true personality is not like that. It doesn't align with who they are in real life.
ट्रू. सो वही है कि अगर, देखिए, अटेंशन तो चाहिए आपको. अगर आप, एंड आई रियली थिंक अटेंशन टू डिटेल इज समथिंग दैट यू वुड रादर हैव इन एनी जॉब.
Of
बिकॉज,
course,
करेक्ट. सो अगर आप वो डिटेल पे चीजें नहीं करोगे, एनी विच वे दैट माइट क्रम्बल डाउन, राइट?
I mean, in some jobs the requirement may be more than the other jobs. और जो मैं समझ रहा हूँ फैशन टेक्नोलॉजी में, इट इज एब्सोल्यूट पिनाकल लेवल का अटेंशन टू डिटेल और एनालिटिकल स्किल्स का रिक्वायरमेंट है, और एल्स यू आर नो गुड, आई मीन यू मे बी not be very good, you will have to just come up and with real hard work and
See,
get
I
where you have
said
to.
in the first question that you asked, I said it's engineering for fashion.
Ah,
So
I get it. Yeah, yeah. I mean
you
that
you
just it just explains it so much better with that one phrase and all the discussion.
yeah. So if
Primarily
you
for students, actually मालूम है क्या, students मैम कभी कभी they may or they may not know themselves, but parents always know their kids. All right,
hmm
so it could be a good indication for them. So based on that, मेरा अगला सवाल है, and everyone, this is a very typical question, and I put it from my side in every of the podcast that I do with guests,
hmm
who should not enter into this field even if they are interested, or even if it sounds glamorous. किसको नहीं आना चाहिए?
अगर बस ग्लैमरस के चलते आ रहे हैं तो मत आइए।
हम्म.
पहली बात तो है ये। सो इफ यू आर आफ्टर रनवेज फोटोशूट्स, डोंट कम इन फैशन टेक्नोलॉजी, दैट्स इट्स जस्ट फ्रस्ट्रेट यू। or if you are somebody who do not like, let's say, working in Excel sheets, spreadsheets, right? Or do not like basic maths. You struggled with this basic maths. It's not really the strongest suit of everybody.
Right.
If that is the case, then this is possibly not the place.
Not the place for you.
Yeah,
See, and this more or less defines the entrance exam of NIFT. I was discussing it with someone the other day. NIFT is one field जिसका जो entrance exam है is very beautifully designed.
correct.
Even the written examination, the breakups in their written examination, then the studio round, and there are two rounds. I think one is the written
Yeah.
and one is the studio round.
So
And
there is one which is a written part, another
yeah,
wherein you are, it's a creative ability test
creative
wherein,
ability. Yeah,
yeah, wherein you are given a box of things and you're supposed to
yeah,
make
to
something
make
out of
something.
it.
And even in the written part, they're nicely broken down them into
Yes.
mathematics and English comprehension and general knowledge and all these things.
Yes.
But now it makes more sense that why NIFT's entrance exam is the way it is, because the requirement is in absolute line with what is there in the entrance examination. That's really nice. Entry pathways, ma'am, इसके अंदर what I understand is that one can get into this after 10 plus 2 and also after graduation.
Yes. So if you are coming here after 10 plus 2 for fashion technology, you need to have a science
You need PCM.
or maths,
Maths
more
is compulsory.
example,
So let's say
as a
if somebody
compulsory.
is commerce field, but if they have maths, can they give the entrance? Can they come to into this field?
Yes, they
Okay.
can.
Mathematics
So
is must.
yeah,
Okay.
so I would say physics should also be a part of it. It's my
Okay.
personal opinion because
Okay.
we also work with a lot of machineries, mechanics.
Hmm.
So a basic understanding of technical processes, mechanical
Hmm.
processes are
Hmm.
important. So, but
और
then yeah,
अगर मास्टर्स लेवल पे बंदा आ रहा है कोई, सो ग्रेजुएशन लेवल पे लेट्स से पीसीएम इज द प्रिफर्ड पाथ एज यू मेंशनड.
correct.
Maybe someone with 10 plus 2 commerce with mathematics can get into it. But at
Yes,
master's level, is it same or उसके अंदर engineering background must है?
engineering background चाहिए आपको.
Engineering
Because
background चाहिए.
it's a tech masters in fashion technology, so you
Technology.
need a technology background. So you can also do a BF Tech from
Hmm.
any of this institutes plus NIFT and
Hmm.
come here, but you can also have a other
So
BTech.
what is BF Tech, ma'am?
BF Tech is
Bachelor's
the
of
graduation
Bachelor's of Fashion
fashion
Technology, and then
technology.
you can masters
Yes,
में आ सकते हैं, or else if you're coming straight for masters, you must have a science engineering background basically.
engineering background.
इसलिए बहुत सारे बच्चे जाते नहीं है फैशन टेक्नोलॉजी में, है ना?
Yes.
क्योंकि जिसने
Bec-
इंजीनियरिंग किया है वो तो अब आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस और वो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स एंड मैकेनिकल वगैरह सोच रहा है. हाउ आई एम जस्ट थिंकिंग दैट हाउ मेनी स्टूडेंट्स आफ्टर डूइंग इंजीनियरिंग वुड वांट टू गेट इनटू फैशन टेक्नोलॉजी.
See, one of the most popular, undergraduate course जिसके बाद बच्चे फैशन टेक्नोलॉजी मास्टर्स करते हैं इस टेक्सटाइल इंजीनियरिंग.
ओके.
या
मतलब
सो
बीटेक, बैचलर्स ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग, टेक्सटाइल इंजीनियरिंग जिसको कहते हैं,
टेक्सटाइल इंजीनियरिंग.
उससे लोग
सो
जाते होंगे
उससे
ये
बहुत
मास्टर्स ऑफ.
पॉपुलर है. सो आई हैव डन माई MF टेक.
ओके.
सो A lot of my batchmates were from the textile engineering background.
Okay.
There are also people like me, wherein we were asked to do the engineering, and then we realized that this is our true calling, and then we
And then
gave
from
up.
engineering, you shifted to this particular
Yes.
field. Good, you did. You're doing
Yeah.
so well with such a flourishing career behind you, and of course, currently, yeah, okay. So, but I understand 10 plus 2 science background priority, if not commerce, 10 plus 2 with mathematics. So, if you're doing bachelor's in fashion technology, you can upgrade to master's in fashion technology. If you want to come straight to fashion masters, you must be from engineering background, and most of
Hmm.
the people come from textile engineering, as you mentioned. So I
Correct.
think the pathway is really clear. कितना मैम इसका बैचलर्स लेवल का कंपटीशन तो मुझे मालूम है, मास्टर्स लेवल पे कंपटीशन कितना मुश्किल है एनआईएफटी में आने के लिए?
There are about three centers, three, four centers जहाँ पे
हम्म।
masters है. So
हम्म।
each center has a seat capacity of about 40 students,
ओ बाप
40
रे,
to 42. So you
मतलब बड़ा
understand.
टाइट है ये तो.
Yeah.
And unlike the bachelors, bachelors in fashion technology may not have as many locations as the bachelors in fashion design has, no?
Yes, it is lesser than, so total right now NIFT has 19. This time we'll start the 20th center
Okay.
in Raipur. So fashion design is one of our flagship courses, which essentially means that we have fashion design in most of our centers,
ओके.
all
ओके.
centers for that matter.
हालांकि इसका नाम नेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ फैशन टेक्नोलॉजी है.
But then we
हाँ?
started with and became, because see, we produced so many fashion designers at this
Right, right, of
stage,
course.
so of course it became our flagship course. Fashion technology, however, is runs older. We started with a PG program of fashion technology, which used to be like a PG diploma, which was called a GMT long time back.
Right.
So, anyways, fashion technology is about in 14, 15 centers as of now.
ओके. ये मैम
Yeah.
फैशन डिजाइनिंग करने के बाद कोई आता है फैशन टेक्नोलॉजी में?
जनरली नहीं, क्योंकि
क्योंकि
वो,
क्वालिफिकेशन ही नहीं बैठ रही होगी ना उसके अंदर तो.
हाँ, बिकॉज एक तो दोनों ग्रेजुएशन कोर्सेज है और मास्टर्स के लिए तो ही और शी विल नॉट क्वालिफाई.
राइट मैम, ये एक बात बताइए, इफ नॉट एनआईएफटी, क्या ऑप्शंस, क्या है प्राइवेट लेवल पे ऑप्शंस है फैशन टेक्नोलॉजी
ऑप्शंस
सीखने
है,
के लिए?
ऑफ कोर्स है. देयर आर अदर इंस्टीट्यूट्स एंड आईडीज पर्ल्स है, ऑफ कोर्स है.
है.
हम्म.
ऑलराइट, ऑलराइट. मैम एक बात बताएं, व्हाट स्टूडेंट्स रियली वर्क हार्ड फॉर दिस एंट्रेंस एग्जामिनेशन?
हम्म.
ठीक है. What mistakes, according to you, considering that you are from the side of academics, what mistakes students make, while they are preparing to get into one of the top institutions in the country, let's say in the world at master's level?
एट मास्टर्स लेवल,
या क्या गलती करते हैं आपके हिसाब से बच्चे तैयारी में अपने?
few things. First is that they are extremely confused about okay, what they are getting into.
राइट.
So, as I said, that as and you also mentioned that students are very often confused between fashion design and fashion technology.
बिल्कुल.
So, and interestingly, we do not have a course which says masters in fashion design. We have a course which is called masters in design, which talks
Hmm.
more in context of space design. So, but what we have is a masters in fashion technology. So when they see fashion, the word fashion in masters, they often assume that it's a fashion design based course.
का कोर्स होगा.
Yeah. So,
So NIFT, that means, does not offer masters in fashion designing only. I mean, the bachelor's program is the program fashion
there
design के
is
लिए.
a master's in design.
In design, at the
Yes.
core
So that
level,
will,
not fashion design.
no, that will be a more holistic design course.
Okay, all right,
Yeah.
all right. Okay. Finally, ma'am, income point of view, say this is something where parents are, really concerned about. The progression. How does the progression look like? Let's say the 5, 7, 8, the first primary 5, 7, 8 years that a person spends in this industry. Progression, stability of income. कैसा है?
So average NIFT graduates, firstly, matlab 90% of our students get placed. The ones which either do not want to or they start their own labels,
Right.
right? So they are appearing for PG programs or things like that. Average income for a graduate, UG graduate, starts at 6.
Okay.
Yeah, and with time it can grow anything up to 30 to 50 LPA. of course, with time.
with time?
Now, and if you have certain niche skills which are very domain specific, like AI or sustainability or technical design, so the growth will be, of course, faster.
फास्ट ज्यादा पैसा मैम इंडिया में है कि बाहर इसमें इन दिस फील्ड?
uh, डिपेंड्स अगेन कि बाहर अगर आप ब्रांड्स में जाते हो, अगेन ग्लोबल नॉर्थ ग्लोबल साउथ थोड़ा डिफरेंशिएट हो जाता है। अगर ग्लोबल साउथ की बात करें तो अगर आप लेट्स से वियतनाम बांग्लादेश ऐसे जगह पे जाते हो, ऑफ कोर्स द मनी इज मोर।
इट्स मोर, यस।
Yes, because they are looking at more important parts. And if specifically in places like Bangladesh and Indonesia, Vietnam, the packages are a little higher. There's also, though, a little problematic situation at this
या
point, but
स्पेशली
Middle
बांग्लादेश,
East. No, no, the Middle East region.
द
That is
रीजन
also so
दैट।
Jordan. So those are also a very good place to, you
to
know,
work.
this
I
career.
know people who've been working in Bangladesh in this industry and doing exceedingly well. Exceedingly well.
Yes.
I mean, next level income generation, and they're
See,
doing it.
Bangladesh na has cracked that this is their prime, GDP
Yeah,
creating
अच्छा
industry,
करते हैं।
and so they are taking it very
They're
seriously.
taking it very seriously. They are doing well. लेकिन एक चीज है, if somebody gets into, let's say, NIFT, or if not NIFT, even in some good private institution, and if they do it the right way, I mean, it could be a great career for somebody, क्योंकि आज के डेट में मैम, if I talk about a computer engineer, 90% प्लेसमेंट तो छोड़ दीजिए, 6 लाख रुपए की स्टार्ट बहुत बड़ा चीज़ है। पीपल डू नॉट गेट दैट
True,
इन टूडेज
engineering
टाइम।
has reached a saturation, I guess, at this point.
एंड हाउ डू यू सी दिस इन द फैशन वर्ल्ड? आई मीन, उसके अंदर भी डू यू सी दैट गोइंग फॉरवर्ड it will be so AI heavy, I mean dependent so much on AI कि jobs cut होना शुरू हो जाएंगे, है ना? People will become, roles will become redundant.
See, one of the very important parts of this industry, specifically people who work in fashion technology and production, it's heavily manual labor. It's heavily,
Right.
people based. Every machine, everything. And we have still not reached the level of, countries where we see black factories or dark factories, right? Uh, Today, the industries are shifting to smaller places, the, you know, tier 2 cities, tier 3 cities. So the labor is still very, for fortunately, unfortunately, is cheap,
Yes, it
which
is.
means the people to handle them and the people to manage them also has to be humans
की ज़रूरत
as
है।
of now.
I get it. All right. So with this, I've completed my 20 questions, but I want you to, just give a small little message to someone, let's say, who wants to get into fashion technology, a young kid, class 10, class 11, but is unsure, पीसीएम का बच्चा है या कॉमर्स विद मैथ्स है, या अनश्योर है, तो अगले 10 महीने 12 महीने वो क्या कर सकता है to figure out if whether he or she really wants, should be getting into this?
Firstly, they can start by watching some videos of pattern making and garment constructions because that is something they are supposed to do here on their own.
Right.
सिखाया जाएगा आपको. So one good idea to do it, कि pick up a simple garment, try to create it from scratch,
Okay.
cut, stitch, sew, everything, right? Uh, Second is, if possible, I would suggest that if they can visit a factory, even if a small one, so see how things work,
Mm.
right? They can speak to people who are somebody who is who is a merchandiser or a production planner if they have some contacts in family or through friends. And more importantly, they can start following pages, these social media pages, which are more catered to fashion technology and not just the design part of
Right.
it.
Right. Yeah, I
Yeah.
think this could be a good start for them to figure out whether they should really be getting into this or
Yeah,
not.
do they like it or not?
Do they like it or not? That's the word. Do they like it or not?
Yeah.
अदरवाइज तो मैम क्या है, सक्सेस के लिए लोग सब कुछ लाइक करने लगते हैं। दैट्स अ
Correct.
डिफरेंट स्टोरी।
Correct.
All right, ma'am. With that, we've completed all our questions and the final message for the students. So before I leave you, I have this quick rapid fire. No, I just want a quick one word, couple of words response from you. All right.
Okay.
Math or drawing, which is more useful?
Maths.
Fashion technology is for backbenchers or toppers?
I would say both if they love systems.
Okay. AI in fashion, will it replace designers or will it make them more important going forward?
It'll make them more important. They have to just learn to use AI.
Perfect. Fast fashion or sustainable fashion, future belongs to?
Sustainable fashion.
That I've
No.
already understood
Yeah.
in this interaction. India ready for technical fashion careers? Yes or no?
Yes, it's a growing manufacturing and export sector.
Wonderful.
Oops.
One skill every student should start building today if they want to get into fashion technology.
Process thinking. So to understand, break down things so that they know how to build it step by step.
All right. Thank you so much, Dr. Saha. It was a wonderful discussion, and I'm sure that individuals, parents, the kids, the aspirants who are who really want to get into this industry would be absolutely enriched, just by spending the 40-45 minutes of this video. And thank you so much for this, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. It
Thanks a
was a
lot.
pleasure.
Thank you, ma'am.